What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm doing a tutorial about a weekly bike check. So yeah, that being said, let's get right into it. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Try to get me to 100 subscribers by the end of this month. Please subscribe, that would mean a lot. So yeah, that being said, let's get right into it. First, we have the matte black rim. You can actually get these at Jude Bentley Bike Shop. Very affordable, very strong. Yeah. Then we have the rim strips. Also sell at Jude Bentley Bike Shop for like $600. Yeah. Next we have the tire. I recommend this tire for swerves because I have a lot of grips. It's very broader. It's broad, very broad. Yeah. Next, guys, we have the seat. Very soft, very soft. Yeah, you have to actually have your seat tilted for better swerving. Yeah, I recommend these. Yeah. Then, guys, you have the pedal plastic. I have to go and buy some metal one. Then we have the S crank. Yeah. And then we have the chain for about $460. Yeah, you can get this at Jude Bentley Bike Shop. We have the plates, about $500. Then we have the sprocket at 12 teeth, very hard to pedal. Yeah. Then we have the V brakes. Yeah, actually pay $18.60 for a pair. Yeah, like sugar. Then, guys, we have the headset. This is about $1,000. Perfect for wheelies. We have the under nickel pure shine. Nice for wheelies. Then we have the green ODI grips. I actually took out the black piece from here. Yeah. Then yeah, guys, we actually have a SE lever. Very soft, smooth. It's actually very soft for, when the brake is too hard, you don't get to really release so long. This is very soft and rush. Recommend these. These actually don't sell. These actually come with the SE bikes separate. Yeah. So yeah, guys, if you made it to the end of the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Remember, subscribe for more videos. Drop comments so you could know what more videos to do. And yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at official Shardan on Instagram. Try to get me to 100 followers. So yeah, the end of the video. Peace out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow.